Hello everyone, and welcome to RichestSoft YouTube channel. Are you ready to go to the next level with your iOS app development skills? Then don't worry. Here, we have you covered whether you are a seasoned coder or just starting. In today's video, we'll give tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your iOS app creation journey. Consider the following tips to get the most out of your iOS app development efforts. Step 1. Set clear goals. In this phase, it's important to set some objectives before beginning the development of your iOS app. Think about the issue that your app intends to address. To whom do you intend to appeal? Having a plan in place can help you remain on track as you work to build an app that users will find useful and enjoyable. Step 2. Plan your app's user experience. The user experience UX quality is critical to achieving any iOS app's goals. Invest in careful planning and design to ensure easy use, a beautiful user experience, and seamless functionality. By imagining what it would be like to use your software, you can make it better. Step 3. Embrace Agile development. In this phase, an Agile methodology is very much useful to build your iOS app, which can yield better results. Make your project more manageable by dividing it into smaller chunks, called sprints, establishing feature priorities, and constantly reviewing and revising your plans. You may maintain adaptability, deal with change, and expeditiously release high-quality apps by adopting Agile principles. Step 4. Test early. The testing phase is essential when making an iOS app. Bugs, usability problems, and improper app operation can be avoided with continuous testing throughout development. Make sure you run tests on several different iOS versions and devices to ensure compatibility and a good user experience. Step 5. Focus on App Store optimization, ASO. Creating a fantastic app is only the beginning. Investing in App Store optimization will increase its discoverability and downloads. Use good search terms, develop an engaging app description, and produce gorgeous screenshots and video trailers. You may raise your app's visibility and downloads with solid ASO. By following these tips, you'll have the knowledge and strategies to make the most of your iOS app development journey. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and coworkers who might find these tips useful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful information about how to make iOS apps, the latest technology trends, and the best ways to build software.